Sophie the Snake song. My name is Sophie and I make the sound just like a snake. I go as I slither on the ground so low. Says Sophie, slithering here and there. Says Sophie, I make that sound everywhere. I see the sun shining bright and the stars twinkle at night. With my friend the spider we spin webs that are tighter. Says Sophie, slithering here and there. Says Sophie, I make that sound everywhere. I swim with the seahorse in the sea and the snail with a shell close to me. With my cozy warm sock I slither around the clock. Says Sophie, slithering here and there. Says Sophie, I make that sound everywhere. When I eat a sandwich for lunch or see a sunflower in a bunch, I always make the sound all around. Says Sophie, slithering here and there. Says Sophie, I make that sound everywhere. So remember my sound, it's fun to make and easy to do, with a hiss and a smile to all of you.